Waking up, waking up. Brushing teeth, brushing teeth. Washing face, washing face. Taking a shower, taking a shower. Getting dressed, getting dressed. Making the bed, making the bed. Preparing breakfast, preparing breakfast. Eating breakfast, eating breakfast. Reading newspaper, reading newspaper. Checking phone, checking phone. Going to work, going to work. Studying lessons, studying lessons. Attending meetings, attending meetings. Cooking lunch, cooking lunch. Eating lunch, eating lunch. Doing laundry, doing laundry. Cleaning house, cleaning house. Shopping groceries, shopping groceries. Returning home, returning home. Relaxing on sofa, relaxing on sofa. Watching TV, watching TV. Exercising outside, exercising outside. Taking an evening walk, taking an evening walk. Preparing dinner, preparing dinner. Eating dinner, eating dinner. Spending time with family, spending time with family. Reading a book, reading a book. Listening to music, listening to music. Writing in a journal, writing in a journal. Brushing teeth again, brushing teeth again. Changing clothes, changing clothes. Going to bed, going to bed. Sleeping peacefully, sleeping peacefully.
Subscribe Pandari Skill to see more videos.